This video shows you how to add an employee using the Employee Wizard. This option takes you through steps to enter the employee's information. To enter the details, click Employee, then Employee Wizard. Use the Next and Back buttons to work through the wizard, making sure all fields marked with an asterisk are completed. We'll start with the employee's personal details. You must enter their full name exactly as it appears on their passport, their address and postcode if they have one. When you've done this, click Next. Now enter further details, including your employee's date of birth and start date. It's really important that you enter these details accurately, as they're matched to HMRC's records when you submit your FPS. If you've checked your employee's passport, you should also enter the passport number here. If you're setting up a new employee, their RTI payroll ID is created automatically. This is a unique reference assigned to each employee in your online submissions. If you've switched from other payroll software and you're setting up an existing employee, you'll need to click Edit and enter the payroll ID that you previously used. If it wasn't set up in your previous payroll software, or you don't know what it is, you must still click Edit, then from Old Payroll ID, choose Not Set or Unknown. On this next step, choose the starter form your employee provided. For new employees, choose P45, or if they didn't have a P45 and completed the starter checklist instead, choose P46 from the list. If you're setting up an existing employee, choose Non-Existing Employee. In this example, we'll enter P45 details. First, choose a starting declaration. This is usually statement B or C, depending on the employee's circumstances. Then enter the information from the P45. Enter the previous employer's reference and leaving date from the P45. If the leaving date's in the current tax year, enter the total pay to date, tax to date, and tax code. Take care to enter the correct tax code from the P45 and select Yes or No for week 1, month 1 as required. When you've finished, click Next. Enter the NI number, or if you don't know it, select the Not Known checkbox. Then choose the NI category from the list. On this step, choose the payment method and payment frequency. If they'll be paid a salary, you can enter your employee's gross salary details to create a salary pay element. Or if you want to assign other pay elements you've set up, you can do this on the next step. If required, select the Director status, Holiday and Pension Schemes, Department and Cost Centre. Then click Next. Assign any required payments and enter default values. Then do the same for deductions. Finally, if required, enter the employee's bank details. And when you've done this, click Finish. You've now set up your employee. To enter additional details, open their employee record and click the relevant tabs.